Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So creating ASMR style videos with OpenArt lets you generate relaxing, satisfying visuals and pair them with calming audio, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts or Reels. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to make ASMR videos on OpenArt in 2026 smooth and satisfying. Okay, so first thing first, open OpenArt video generator. Okay, go to OpenArt, log into your account and open AI video or video generation tool. Okay, so as you can see here, we have many options. You either choose text to video or image to video. Okay, so as you can see here, we choose this one. Choose an ASMR style, so pick a satisfying concept: slime, stretching, soap cutting, liquid pouring, glass breaking. So simpler motion equals better results. Okay, so write a strong prompt. Okay, so for example, you have here the choice to describe the prompt you want. For example, close-up of hand, stretching, glossy pink, slime, slow motion, satisfying texture, soft lightning. Okay, so include close-up, slow motion, satisfying, soft lightning. Okay, after that, enter your prompt. Okay, choose resolution and duration and click generate after that. Okay, so start with short clips like 3 to 5 seconds and then extend the clip. So this is optional, like use extend video feature and add a continuation prompt. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.